Hello everyone, hi Cancer, water sign. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, so energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Cancer, let's see your messages. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, Queen of lot of Pentacles energies here, guys. Eh, shit. I don't taking because two cards. Okay. I think one person in this connection is at some crossroads. It could be your person, energy could be vice versa. Okay, because two of swords. I think in recent past there is some confusion. Okay, I think it's you, maybe. Cancer, because but you are listening to your higher self, high priestess, trusting your intuition, and 10 of Pentacles. I think for some you are now concentrating on your career also. 10 of Pentacles, you are getting stability and you are creating more money. For some in relationship wise, definitely you want stability in this connection, but you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision. Okay, Knight of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. I think someone is coming back. Someone is coming back to you, but they are in slow moving energy, but they are this time they are very sincere. I think I am seeing two persons here. One is past person and another one is new person, because past person, Knight of Pentacles, coming back to you with the sincere offer. This time they are very sincere. Something happened to you, that's why there is separation. If there is not separation between both of you, definitely your love life is going to be next level. And another person, new person, have strong emotions and they have love for you. Definitely one new person is coming. I think you have choice to decide. That's why two of swords. I think there are two persons in your life. You have to choose one person from them. That is two of swords. You are at crossroads. And 5 of swords. Definitely there are some disturbances, fighting between both of you. Your past person did something to you. Yeah, but you stand by your power. This time you have to make decision, because they both are coming back to you. I think one past person is coming back and one new person is coming towards you. So you have to choose one person from them. And the Fool, I think you will, there is some brand new beginnings in love life. I think you will accept the offer, either by the past person or by the new person, depending upon your situation. You have to make decision. Definitely some new beginnings, brand new beginnings. The Fool, I think your person want to take leap of faith. Okay, I think for some in past person issues, there are some trust issues also, because 5 of swords is backstabbing. Cancer, so I think you are now concentrating on your career more than the relationship. You stand by your power and you are getting success also there. So Pentacle energy, you are concentrating more on career. Okay, so here lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire energy. Yeah, two persons are coming towards you. You are at some crossroads, so you have to make decision. I think the new person also has strong emotions for you. They have true love for you. Okay, it's up to you which decision you have to make. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What's going on? So first we will see your person current feelings. Cancer, lot of energy. Five of Wands, 8 of Wands, lot of fire energy. Prince of Pentacles. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, definitely they are thinking about the misunderstandings which had happened between both of you. 5 of Wands. I think, yeah, two persons fighting for your attention, Cancer, right now, because Five of Wands, lot of drama is going in your relationship right now. And Eight of Wands, definitely they want to communicate, some communication is coming in your way. Yeah, they want to express their feelings to you. I think in past maybe they didn't, now they want to express their feelings. Princess of Pentacles, definitely communication, they want to express their feelings. And they want to test the waters, that how you react when they message you. Okay, I think they want to communicate you, and they are thinking about some misunderstandings between both of you. And if they coming back, what they are thinking, that you may reject their offer, that type of thinking they are thinking. But yeah, they want to express for sure communication is coming, because Eight of Wands is there. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Gemini, the Lovers. See, Seven of Swords. Yeah. You person at some crossroads, definitely. They are juggling. I think your person may be sneaky. Seven of Swords. You past person definitely did something wrong to you. Maybe they are putting in you some third party situation. I think there is no emotional balance between both of you. The Lovers card is here. Lovers cards always doesn't mean that only love. When there is no emotional balance, there is no meaning for physical. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, definitely your person played some mind games with you. Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy. I think that's why you are not taking decision this time, Cancer. You are holding back your feelings, because I think you are going to choose your new person because they have strong and true love for you, because past person have some sneaky energy, because Seven of Swords with Two of Pentacles, still they are opening their options. They are juggling. Definitely one time their feelings are towards you are very higher, and another time literally they are having no feelings. Okay, they are juggling because they have options. They are seeing other options also. That's why you are not taking decision. You are taking your time, what I am seeing here. Yeah, but some communication is coming in your way. But be careful with this person, because Seven of Swords is sneaky energy. So if you already know about your person, choose the new one, because new one, Knight of Cups, they have strong emotions and true love for you. Okay, maybe you don't know about that person. Definitely someone new is coming towards you, Cancer. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed in near future. Five of Pentacles, Six of Wands, two cards, Eight of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Yeah, I think your person feeling that you may reject their offer if they come towards you, definitely, because Four of Cups with Five of Pentacles. Definitely some cold showering. Your person maybe is in past cold shouldering you. Definitely Four of Cups, I think they may be feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. And Four of Cups, I think they may be scared that you will reject their offer. And I think you are working towards your career and goals. Six of Wands is Eight of Pentacles. Definitely you are now concentrating on your career and getting success. I already told you, because Six of Wands is Eight of Pentacles. For some, your person really want to work on this relationship, but it's up to you. Totally it's in your hand. Totally the ball is in your court, Cancer, in one line, because you have to make decision, because you are now concentrating on your career. You will get success, you are getting success, but your person feeling sad, they're suffering in silence, they're coming back. But if your person is sneaky, be careful, take decision depending upon your situation. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Cancer. The Moon, Ace of Swords, the Strength, Five of Cups. Yeah, definitely there is separation between both of you. You are also feeling sad for the separation, but you overcome this pain. Now you become like this. Your person could be Leo also. Definitely you overcome all the trauma. and drama also. And the Ace of Swords, definitely some communication is coming in your way, but there are still there are some trust issues. You are not trusting your person completely because they did something to you, and it is creating so much impact on you because you don't have trust on your person right now. And Pisces, your person could be, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe your person hiding something from you, that's why you are not trusting your person. It could be third party situation also. So let's see your person overall energy. 7 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups. You both got same cards, Ace of Pentacles, Tower. Yeah, literally your person undergoing some tower movement because the separation causes them this tower movement. And Ace of Pentacles, now they want to offer long-term commitment and they are very sad for the separation. Now they want to invest on this connection. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But it's up to you, because if you really know that your person is sneaky, then don't give another chance. But I am seeing some brand new beginnings in love. I am seeing some new love. I think some of you are going to accept the new love. Okay, for some, if it is not third party, for some there is reconciliation because your person coming back to work on this relationship. Okay, so it depends. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.